simplify these radical expressions and see if we can subtract them or add them. Okay? Now, we're going to rewrite this and give myself a little bit more room to write on this. Get rid of that word simplify. We know what the instructions are now, but space these out a little bit. Okay? Now, this is 6, and 32 is the same thing as 16 times 2, isn't it? 16 times 2 is 32, and I know it equals 8 times 4 and 32 times 1, but we want to use the 16 because 16 is a very special number, isn't it? Huh? What kind of a number is the square root of 16? It's a perfect square, isn't it? Where this gives you a 4, doesn't it? Okay? So if you have a choice of using 8 times 4 or 32 times 1 or 16 times 2, use the largest perfect square. We're going to use the 16. 16 times 2 is 32, and this one radical makes two radicals. Okay? Now 18, what number would you make 18 into? Well, what are the factors of 18? Can you you have 6 times 3, but is 6 a perfect square? No. How about 9? Isn't 3 times 3 equal to 9? So rather than 6 times 3 or 18 times 1, let's use 9 times 2. Make this radical into two radicals. And when you write this one down, just copy it, okay? Because you can't find any perfect squares. Now, this is a 4 here, isn't it? So you're going to have 6 times 4. This is a 3 right here, isn't it? So you're going to have 2 times 3. And how many of these do we have here? We're going to have one of these, aren't we? A minute from now, we're going to put a 1 in front of there. Now I have, the square root of 16 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And then I have one of these. So you have 24 minus 6 is 18, minus the one of these that you have. You'll have 18, take away 1, it's going to be 17 times the square root of 2.